How to start dropshipping with $0. Dropshipping is an excellent way to start a business without the need for a large investment. If you're on a tight budget, it can be challenging to find ways to get started without spending any money. However, with the right approach and some creativity, it is possible to launch a dropshipping business with $0. So, let's get started. Now, I'm going to propose two ways for you to start your dropshipping business. One is absolutely for free, it is $0, but one is for $1 only. I suggest that you use Shopify because it will allow you to have 3 months of a plan for $1, which is very useful. But if you really don't want to use any money, I'm going to teach you later on a method. But for now, we're going to try and go with Shopify. And I'm going to teach you how you can take advantage and make the most out of your $1 promo over here. So I'm going to teach you how you can dropship with Shopify first. Now, what we're going to dropship with is AliExpress over here. We're going to integrate AliExpress with our Shopify over here. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to click on apps over here on the left side. By clicking on apps, we would be able to see this pop-up wherein this is where apps created for Shopify is located. Basically, apps are for additional features that you could use to make your lives easier in Shopify. So as you can see here, we can see the app related to AliExpress. So we're going to click on Shopify App Store over here. Here in Shopify App Store or apps.shopify.com, you would be able to see all of the different apps specifically created for Shopify. If you have or if you know an app, you can simply search the app over here on the search bar and you would be able to see that specific app. Now for us, we're going to search AliExpress over here. I'm going to click this and we're going to wait for our results. And over here, as you can see, these are all related AliExpress apps. As you can see here, we have Deezers. This is the AliExpress dropshipping application. So we're going to click this. Going to open Deezers, and as you can see here, we will be able to add app to our Shopify. We're simply going to click on add app over here. After clicking that, we would be redirected to our Shopify store and it's going to ask us to authorize the connection. So we're going to wait for it. As you can see here, this is the authorization page. So we're going to click on install over here. Now after installing, it's going to redirect us to the Deezer's website over here. As you can see here, it's going to ask us to select a plan before we can continue. We're simply going to click on basic free because we're going to start with the least possible amount of payment. So we're going to link our supplier over here. We're going to need to link to AliExpress. We're going to click this. Make sure that you have an account in AliExpress or any other dropshipping platform that you know. You could use other platform. You are not limited to AliExpress. You could use, for example, CJ Dropshipping, and you're going to search CJ Dropshipping in your Shopify App Store. You could also use Printify, Printful, or any dropshipping platform that you know. And over here, this is our Deezer's page. This is basically very similar to AliExpress over here, but this is designed to connect with Shopify, as you can see here. Now, our next step is we're simply going to look for a product that we would like to add to our Shopify store. For example, we're going to go with this one over here, LED lights. As you can see here, we are able to check out this product on AliExpress itself. We have this description, the pricing, and like where it is being shipped from. As you can see here, the description and many more information about this product. So what we're simply going to do is we're going to click on this button over here, which is add to import list. By clicking this, we would be able to import our product to our Shopify list. By clicking this, we would be able to see our imported product, as you can see here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to push to Shopify. By clicking this, we would have this option over here, store selection, basically what the name of our Shopify store. We could also see the pricing rules. We could continue selling when out of stock. We could also publish to an online store if you would like. We're going to click push to Shopify. Now, although right now it's currently being pushed, we will be able to see this product on our Shopify store right now. We're going to check it out on our product section over here. And as you can see, it is already in our Shopify store. And as you can see, it is currently active in our product section. you would be able to see this in your store when you fully set up your online store section over here. Now, I'm going to teach you the other way, which is absolutely for free, but it is a bit more time consuming because there is a lot of manual work. Now, what you're going to use is this Google Sites over here. You can simply go to sites.google.com and you would be able to create a free website absolutely for free. As you can see here, I am in the template gallery. You would be able to see the different templates over here, which would help you start with your website over here. For example, we're going to check out this template over here, which is salon. We're just simply going to use this as a sample website, as you can see here, so that we don't need to create our product for now. And we're going to delete this specific section, just like that. And over here, as you can see here, this is like a basic website. You would be able to add different components like text box, image, embedded, drive, content blocks over here, and all of these other sections over here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the specific text block, just like that. And what we're going to do is a bit manual work, because we're going to go to our AliExpress over here. We're going to select the product that we would like to sell, for example, this one. And what we're going to do is we're literally going to copy and paste every details that we have over here. For example, we're going to copy the title over here. We're going to copy that. We're going to go back over here. We're going to add it on our title, just like that. We could edit our text over here to heading, just like that. We could edit our fonts over here. We could make it normal, just like that. We could edit the font size, just like that. We could make it bold. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to copy the image. Where is it? Over here. We're going to simply right-click this, and we're going to copy image address, and we're going to go back to our salon. We're going to add image over here. We're going to click on upload. We're going to click on select image, and we're going to click on link, and we're simply going to paste our image URL over here, then insert image, and just like that, we have the same image as we have in our page over here. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to copy the description over here. We're going to copy this, just like that. We're going to go back to our salon over here, paste our description over here, just like that. As you can see, we have our own description and page over here. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get embedded over here. I'm going to go and use Stripe over here. You could use Stripe to create your product payment section over here. As you can see, I already have a product over here. I'm going to click on buy button over here, and we would be able to receive a code, an embedded code that we could add to our free website over here. By going here, I could click on embed, and I could paste our embedded code over here, just like that, and click on next. And we're going to wait for it to finish loading, and we're going to click on insert. And over here, we have our buy button over here. We're going to move it on our section over here, just like that. And just like that, we have our buy button over here. We can check this out by clicking on publish. And we're going to put in a random address for now, just like that, so that we can publish it. Going to click on publish, and we're going to wait for it. And now we're going to check it out by clicking on the dots over here. We could view publish website. And in this section, as you can see here, we have our product over here, the product description. And we're going to wait for this to load for a bit. And as you can see, we have our buy button over here. By clicking this, we would be redirected to our checkout page of Stripe over here. We're going to wait for it to load. And over here, as you can see, we have our product over here. They will simply enter their contact information. And after they pay for the product, you can simply do it manually, like you would order this manually and then enter the information of your customer. It will allow you to have drop shipping for absolutely for free, and that is $0. And that's it, guys. That's how you can drop ship with $0 and $1 over here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.